Throw them in Slack.
Oh, perfect. What's up? What's up, ladies and gents? We're back. The three amigos have been reunited. Sorry, I was transatlantic, I believe, for the last one, but it sounded like you guys had a really, really good time. I know Logan and Sonder never disappoint, but as always, I'm here with the two amazingest people coming from you from the desert in Utah, the biggest, most friendliest Utah. Did I hit it that time? Utah?
You're getting it. You're getting it.
I'm getting better. Sonder, how are you doing, my friend?
I'm doing well. Been a busy week. Been good. Talked to a lot of
Amazing.
customers so far, so it's been good. I'm liking it.
Amazing. Amazing. You also wooed the TikTokers. So we had a really cool meeting with TikTok. So there's possibly some stuff undisclosed at this point, but that could be coming down the pipeline. We'll keep you
Big
all in the
things.
loop. Big things. And then downtown, Well Wrangler, our favorite PM at the company, LB, Logan Brown, coming from you from the beautiful state of South Carolina. You got the Chubby's hat on. You didn't respect the Well Wednesday, but hey, is what it is. It happens. It happens.
It's whaley cool,
Oh, there you go. Hey, you made it. You made up for it with the well pun. So that's amazing. So today, folks, we're actually going to go through our latest, greatest feature. And it's actually near and dear to Logan's heart. This was actually one of Logan's thought child that he birthed into the world of Triple Whale, our post-purchase survey. And so this, to be fair, does not replace something like, no, we love Jeremiah over there. But this is something that can be really awesome to bolt on, where you just add another layer of attribution to your actual funnel, which is really awesome. So we're going to go through that. And then if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in the question. But we're actually going to set it up, and let's see how many people. Do we have anybody in here yet?
Yep, we've got a handful.
Oh, perfect. So actually, when I'm going through this, if somebody wants a free shirt, I'll send you a free shirt, because we're actually going to buy a shirt to show you exactly how it happens. So
first person to chat in with their size and address. I see Nick's
typing. Already.
The mad dash.
I like shirts. Let's go, Nick. Let's go. Who's going to beat him? All right. So we need to size and address people. And if you want, Nick, you can email me or DM me your it's out in the open now. Nick Walters getting a large. All right, Nick.
I don't know what city that is. Where are we sending that bad boy?
Oh, that's a great point. That's a great point. Amazing. Nick's getting some free stuff. Kentucky. I'm an Indiana boy. All right, let's go. Louisville. Oh, what is that? 7th Street there? What is what's the street there? It's 7th Street, right? You guys won't know.
It's only
You're
one
born in
street.
Indiana. No way. No, what's Nick? What's the big party street? It's 7th Street, right? Or what's the big party district there? There's that really cool party. 4th Street. Yeah. I've done some time in Louisville, Kentucky. It's a fun little city.
I've never been.
Maybe Jamie. Maybe we'll let Sonder decide your fate there. But first, let's go through the post-purchase.
Good thing I'm not
Jamie. Decided. Let's do it.
Okay, we're giving 2 shirts away today. Oh, Austria? Do we do Austria, Sonder? Yes or no? Austria?
Let me flip a coin. Yep, we're good. Thumbs up.
All right, that's it. We're only sending 3 shirts. Sorry, everybody else, you missed out. But first off, let's jump into the account. Let me get my window here. Where am I going?
Most expensive webinar to date for us.
But our most fun.
Everyone sign up for the post-purchase survey product now.
Yeah, we got to fund this somehow. We got exactly
product.
Exactly. So not only we're giving T-shirts out, we're giving the post-purchase survey away for free to everyone today. Right? Is that right, Logan?
Giving it away for free. Absolutely.
For free today.
I mean, as long as they have a Triple account, minimum purchase required.
The Sonder and Logan are not included in the purchase. Okay, so here is our. Can you see this? Okay, guys.
That was better. The Zoom was good. Yeah.
Zoom's better like this, right?
Yeah.
I have a big monitor, so sometimes it gets a little wonky when I screen share. All right, so we are in. First off, you should definitely go do your optimization stuff. This is something that's really cool that you can make sure to make that you're getting the best experience out of the T-dubs. As you can see, I have not set up the post-purchase survey, so I can either go here, right, Logan, or here. How do you want me to walk through it?
Either one. Yeah, I mean, that takes you to that page, so it's great.
Amazing. So install this. We have the egregiously sized.
It's gotta be in your face. Listen, we're here to party.
It is what it is, right? I mean, it's hump day, people. Let's get it going. It's almost Labor Day, we're tick-tocking. All right, cool. So then I'm gonna hit get started, correct, Logan?
Yeah.
Amaze. All right. So the next thing it's gonna show me is my post-purchase surveys. So this is the survey builder. Let's add.
Yeah. So let me
Oh,
talk
this
through
is
some
cool.
of the
Yeah,
features
yeah.
here.
Talk me through it, please. Amaze.
All right. So just so everyone knows, Raba teed it up pretty well. But one of the reasons we built this was that we realized that when we launched with Inquire Labs, it's now Fairing, a great company along with K&O or No Commerce. Those guys are awesome. But they have very robust and pretty sweet like survey tools. But a very minimal amount of our customer base out of all of our stores actually had those services installed. So we thought, hey, let's create a basic version of what they have so that all the customers who maybe can't afford it or just getting started, they can hop in and use our survey tool to just improve their attribution. So what we find a lot right now is that if there's orders coming through and you're running different marketing activities, you may have click attribution from, say, Facebook, but there could have been some other service or maybe a TikTok, a Snapchat. Maybe you're running some organic stuff there. Maybe they found out about you through one of those channels as well, but you would never know because we don't have a click from them. So the benefit here is that when they see the survey, they can tell you what led them to purchase for that day. And then you can get additional attribution for those channels that you may be testing on. And for any orders, for whatever reason, we don't have a click on, if they answer the survey, we'll be giving you the attributed conversion value there as well. So it's a win-win, I think. And the fact that it's free and basic and easy, as you'll see here with Raba, you could literally do this in like 3 clicks if you don't make any edits. So while Raba's on this editing page, you'll notice that in version 1, there's a bunch of these options are locked in, meaning Raba can't just click in them and change the verbiage. But the reason for that is just for our mapping back to the attribution channels. So he can hide any that don't match his brand. So if his brand's not on TikTok, not on Snapchat, he can just click the eyeball icon, which will hide that from the survey response. So that's step 1. And then step 2, hopefully everyone has the Affluencer Hub, also free. And he can actually start adding affluencers to his survey up to 5 based on ones he's running active campaigns with right now.
Wow, that's polished. Have you went through that before? That was just off the cuff. That was
I had
great.
it all written down right here.
I can say, the teleprompter, right?
Yes. Yeah. It's right behind my computer screen.
That's amazing. So what's the next step then? So let's add some affluencers.
Yeah, if you have them in your account, you can it'll
time.
populate everything you have. So as I mentioned, you can click and choose up to 5 for right now. There'll be a feature in the future where we'll make it a little easier to include all of your active affluencers. But for now, we wanted to make sure the survey wasn't, pages long. And then, Rob, if there's any, I know you're using the Triple Whale swag store. So let's say there was a survey answer that doesn't apply to you. You can click the eyeball to remove it. So if you didn't want none of the above selected, or you didn't want Google Ads selected, you can just click that eyeball and it'll hide it.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah.
And then how much do we have random ordering at all, Logan, or how much does the order matter?
Order does matter for anybody out there that's interested in interested in this kind of data. It is kind of a somewhat important aspect, but it's not available in version 1.
Okay.
But random ordering it kind of cuts down on bias, right? So
Tracking.
I think I wish I knew all the statistics, but technically showing someone Facebook first on this list could lead to bias and Facebook being chosen. So random ordering will come in the future, but you can order this in any way that you choose. Just know that there could be some bias depending on how you set it up.
Amazing. Do you like this? So just keep the default order and everything's gravy?
Yeah, I think keep it default is probably the best. I mean, of course, if you're advertising heavily somewhere, feel free to put that up front. Or if you're testing TikTok more immediately, you can move it around. You can come back to the survey builder at any time and adjust it as you wish.
Amazing. And then can I add somebody that isn't an affluencer yet or no?
You have to go. So in the directions there, you'll have to open Affluencer Hub and add them first, and then they'll be available here.
Okay, so how do I do that? Hit add affluencer.
Yep. Yeah. If anybody hasn't seen this, we should probably go through it on the next live stream because this is a sweet product. Nice.
Let's see. Let's see what we got here. If I have any.
You got any profile pics?
I'm trying to. Sonder always
Hey,
sends
pull your
me-
MySpace up. Just save the image from there.
That's what the glitter, right? Got MySpace, Sonder?
Saunders got one.
He's so quiet over there.
I did.
Saunders,
I did
Saunders
have a
got one
MySpace.
for his Uton rock band.
Uton.
Is that what you are? A Uton? Utah
Utah.
rock band.
I'm trying to find a fun picture. I guess I don't have one. What could I do here? I need a picture.
Jeez, Rob, let's go. Come on.
I know. I'm
There it is.
slumming these people. Okay. What are we paying me? We're gonna pay me $1,000. Amazing.
That's
and I'm gonna
high.
get it's high?
250 max for you. Are you serious?
That's great. Who's this Ilya guy? Just telling me what to do. Just yelling at me, huh? Amazing. Amazing. Get
Choose
out
a
of here.
source.
Use-
You have to figure out where are you going to be coming from. Where are you an influencer? You a YouTuber?
Hmm,
You're a YouTuber.
I'm a YouTuber. Okay.
You don't have
Yeah,
any
go
TikToks.
go subscribe to our channel. By the way, the leadership's yelling at me. We don't have enough YouTube subscribers. Catalina, what questions do you have? We can definitely go into those questions if you want. There's actually a little spot over there where it says questions, and we're happy to answer any of those about the affluencer, or we can go into it later. But okay, amazing. Let's start me. If I hit September 1, can I still choose myself, Logan?
Yeah, it should. That's mainly for when we're going to calculate the expenses, right? So yeah, you should be good.
Can we not create discount codes yet from here?
You should be able to, but this is
Maybe.
supposed to be pulling in discount codes from Shopify as well.
Maybe I don't have the privies.
Yeah, just start typing a discount code, and then it will let you create one.
Let's see.
Oh,
Whatever you have in your Shopify store, right? So, and then you can just create it if you don't have it already.
This will work.
Oh, that's
So if anyone-
slick.
if anyone wants 10% off their triple order.
Yeah, that's right. Rob was gonna get
Oh,
$1,000 if you order a T-shirt today.
Oh yeah, we'll give people 10% off. We'll nuke the code. Okay, amazing. And then what's the destination URL? What do I got to do there?
Well, that'll set up like a link that you can share with that affluencer. So you could send them to the Triple Whale swag store. That'd be the destination URL. And then we're going to automatically create UTMs to track you.
What?
So it's like this whole idea is a 3-layer pixel tracking. So we're going to do UTMs and then discount code and then post-purchase survey. So there's 3 layers there for us to
What?
tie all the orders back to you as an affluencer.
We love the 3s here at Triple Well. Okay, so if
Someone
I
didn't
put
watch the Affluencer Hub video.
if I do store.triplewell.com,
Yeah, sure.
Amaze. And then so I have the affluencer name, I have the profile pic, I have the platform. Ilya said I should be a snap star, so I'm going to be a snap star. What is this here for? This is where I upload the influencer UGC.
Oh yeah, this is really exciting. I wish Ilya was here. I mean, he's here, but it's going to be great. So you can
come
put
on?
into files.
You want to add him into the stage?
Sure. Yeah. I mean, he's excited about this update that's coming tomorrow. I'm not sure if he wants to tease it or maybe for the fine folks that joined today, they get to learn about it early.
Yeah. Should we spill tea now, or what do you think, Sonder?
Always spill it.
Let's see.
It's been spilt.
Let's bring on the big fella.
Let's see if he'll join us and talk about his update.
I just invited you, Ilya. Amazing. What's other? If it's like another channel.
Yeah, something that's not available in the main platforms there, you can label it. So that just goes back down to the UTM source, right? So the UTMs that we're creating on your behalf will track back to the platforms that you as the influencer are advertising on.
Amazing. Catalina, I just saw your questions. We'll get to them in a second. Ilya, do you want to spill some tea and let some people know what's up?
Sure. So the drag and drop field that you're looking at indeed is for the marketers to upload videos or images that they have received from the influencer.
Amazing.
But tomorrow we're releasing an update which will allow you to generate a unique link. And then you can take that link and send it to your influencer. And they can, from there on, upload their images and videos directly into their card in Influencer Hub.
Whoa.
So that way you as a marketer don't have to receive it by DMs or emails or Dropboxes or whatever from them. They will just you send them the link and they upload all the content for you to have. And then you can download it, edit, and create new ads and upload them to all the platforms.
Amazing. So I can say, hey, here's this, that, and the other. And then, by the way, here's a link to upload all the assets instead of kind of doing the old telephone game of put it here, put it there, etc.
Correct. So that's
amazing.
tomorrow.
Bing,
That's
bang,
amazing.
boom.
Look at that. And it's going to be free for the people on the call. Jokes, just jokes, people. Of course, it's free for everyone, but you guys get t-shirts. So, win-win for everyone. Okay, let's do, how do I get out of that? You have, whoops.
You click save.
Do I have to, or let me do this real quick. Okay, do I have to add a new influencer for each of my influencers' posts? This is from Catalina Rodriguez.
So that really depends on what level do you want to track sales driven by influencers. So if you want all your sales from Ilya to be attributed to just Ilya, then no, you just create one influencer Ilya, you generate a unique set of UTMs for me, you generate a unique promo code that I can promote to my listeners or viewers, and then all the sales that are generated by me will be attributed just to me. If you want to track each of the posts that I make wherever, like in all the platforms, then you might want to create multiple copies of me. So like Ilya post number 1, Ilya post number 2, and that will give you a unique set of UTMs for each of the posts, and also potentially unique promo code for each of those post codes. So it really depends on the level of granularity that you're looking for.
Amazing. Fantastic answer. Catalina, did that help your question?
I would add as well to that. I think for me, how I would look at it is more by like platform. So if someone has a large audience on like Instagram and TikTok, this can be a good way for the influencer to understand where they're driving a lot of their sales from. So you can position that to the influencer. Like, are you curious to understand, are you driving more sales from TikTok or Instagram? And then obviously that would then help you on your side. So then in this case, you could do like Raba -TikTok as your naming convention and then do another one for Instagram. So that's how I would be leveraging it. And I think it's actually good data to provide back to the influencer. So a good little win-win on that front.
Yep.
Okay, so her comment is, so she gets it kind of, but I have a lot of content. So if we do the survey at the end of the purchase, it would be impossible for them to look through all the database we have. It's a good point.
Yeah, meaning the more consolidated, the better for the survey for sure. Just because that person can choose that one influencer regardless of what channel or post it was associated with. Otherwise, it'll show itemized all the way down. So Raba could have like 6 posts and you'd be showing up 6 times. So that'd be a little difficult in the survey.
And so how would you navigate that, Sonder? Or would that just be kind of something that you would give up for the clarity of aggregation?
Yeah, I mean, if I'm a business, I'm not as worried about the overall focus of what platform the influencer is driving sales on. I'm more wondering how that influencer is performing at like an aggregate level. So I would probably just do it with one. They're going to be using the same coupon code over multiple platforms anyway. So I think that's how I would look at it. And then, yeah, roll that up into the post-purchase survey just as one. So.
Okay. So no Raba -TikTok, just Raba.
Yeah. I was just more piggybacking on Ilya's comment of how you could use it if you did want to get that granular. So both places work, and I think it just matters on how granular you get with your business. But yep, then that complicates things on the post-purchase survey as well. So yeah.
Amazing. Catalina, wonderful questions. Thank you so much. And I think we have one more for you before we get into the magic. That is the post-purchase survey. When you create the discount code, oh, sorry, 1 second. Question is, when you create the discount code, is it automatically created on Shopify, or do you have to go create it on Shopify first? Ooh, who wants to smile about this one? This is a happy answer here. Logan, Ilya, who's taking the credit?
This is Ilya's baby, man.
Okay,
for it.
let's go.
Yeah, it gets automatically created.
Home run.
Just like that. Automatically, boom, it's in your Shopify store. So when I hit save here, so you're clear on that, right, Catalina? I can close that question out too. I'm just going to assume yes. So when I hit save here, this is going to create Raba 10. So you all can go take us for a ride for 10% on the swag store now.
That's right. And Catalina,
Nice.
yeah, if you already have a discount code created, you would just start to type in the discount code box and it will populate because it already exists in your Shopify store. So it should show up.
Okay, amazing. So now I have the affluencer created. I can go back to my post-purchase survey.
Cross our fingers that it works.
Stellar. And then, oh, I know live demos we're living on the edge.
Like
here,
doing
baby.
live math. Like, come on.
Okay, hold on. Let's do this. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Drum roll, please. Come on. But this is all alphabetical. Oh,
Yeah,
Ah!
alphabetical order. Yeah.
amaze. All right.
The
So we'll add
technology works.
Raba. Incredible. And the files are in the computer. You kids probably don't get that reference. Fantastic movie, Blue Steel. Get out there.
Zoolander.
Let's do. There we go. There we go. Points for the big U-tone. Okay, so I'm going to nuke none of the above. And then now what happens, Logan? If I hit this blue button, what am I going to do here?
All right. So hitting install survey will actually add our code into the thank you or confirmation page of your Shopify store.
Mhm.
So it's very small, shouldn't be intrusive. But basically, if you've ever made it to the end of your Shopify store and you have your thank you page where it has your order number and your name, right above the map section where it shows your shipping or billing address, shipping address rather, you'll see the survey. So Raba will show it to you live, but it's simply just one click. And if you ever need to get rid of it, there's an uninstall button that'll populate here. And so you can always remove it if you need to.
Amaze. And won't break my site, won't slow my site down, none of that stuff, right?
No, and it's only on the thank you page. So it just happens on the confirmation of the order.
Okay, amazing. And then that's it?
That's it, man. I know if you don't do any edits, it's like 3 clicks. It's
Whoa.
super simple.
Whoa. Okay, so now you're telling me I have a post-purchase survey for free installed on my site with an affluencer that was just made in the Affluencer Hub.
I sure hope.
Oh my gosh. Now we're cooking with fire here, people. Let's go. All right, let's buy something. We need to send some shirts out. Okay. So let's do share a new tab. How do I share this one? 1 second. Let me fire up my incognito because we have fancy tracking. So I want to make sure that it is
You
all
guys,
working.
you guys have Facebook installed on. You guys are looking at your ads in your account, right? In your Triple Whale account.
Yes.
Sweet. Yeah, let's try choose like Facebook or Google, whatever you have connected. Since you have Facebook connected, choose Facebook in your purchase, and then we'll show the folks how it shows up in the attribution line. Because
Amazing.
that'll be fun since a lot of people are looking at Facebook attribution right now.
Amazing. Nick, what shirt do you want? You want the 8-bit, the Ecom, the I
I
Survived?
love this. Giving away swag live.
Yeah, my man. 8-bit. That's my dude. It's my favorite one as well. It's really awesome. What'd you say? All right. We need a large. Amazing. Let's go here. Add to cart.
Maybe Nick will send us some bourbon from the trail, huh?
Oh yeah. Let's get let's throw some stickers in there. Amazing. Yeah, you guys do bourbon right as well. Do you do socks, Nick? You want some socks? Amazing. Which ones do you want? You want the Athlete? This Outways are really special. This is actually a collab with one of our clients. Do you want the Reggies, the dress socks, or the Outway? Yeah, perfect. Good choice. Very,
Who
very
wouldn't?
nice socks. Yeah, they're really
Who
nice
wouldn't love
socks.
the collab?
Or actually, let me probably want a large there. All right. I feel like this is like a QVC. I love it.
This is a great deal. I've never seen a deal this good live.
But wait, there's more.
There's more.
All right, so I'm going to go check out here. We have MetaPay. I don't even know what that is. Let me see here. Let's see. What email? I'm making you give all this info. Maybe you want to just message me. It's like, what's your maiden name? What's this?
I've got
What's
his
that?
email. I can throw it in the
Okay.
moderator chat. if you
Nick
want.
doesn't care. It's Kentucky boys. You don't care.
Got it.
Let's roll.
It's like, shoot me an email. Here's my
Nick, if
address.
you-
Send me swag. If anybody's listening,
Social security number next.
write me.
There's a great
Nick, we'll take your credit card information at checkout.
exactly. Louis, amazing. Okay. Oh, let's test.
Uh-oh. This is Ilya's test.
Oh, it worked. Oh,
Look at
oh my
that.
gosh, live demos are too intense. This is too much. All right, this is too much. We're never doing this again. But hey,
I'm surprised it's working. Yay.
we're
Great. Don't be surprised.
Yeah. He's lying, folks. We've tested this. All right, let's do this. Oh, that's not good.
Now Rob is giving out his information live on the web.
I gotta cancel this card after I use it. Damn it. Okay. Same as shipping address. All right. This isn't great.
This is
Not great,
awesome.
folks. This is awesome. Okay.
The
Let's
best
do
live stream
this.
we've had today.
In a while. All right. Let me go.
Thanks, Nick. I give it all to Ilya. Well, there's some other great product managers, but since Ilya's on the call, he gets the credit.
Oh, there we go. There we
Look
go.
at that survey, man.
Oh yeah. I say I saw a Snapchat ad.
Well, try Facebook so we can show the folks how it looks, because everybody's looking at Facebook these days, and we can look
Amazing.
at it compared to your other ads you have running.
Okay, so if I hit submit here, let me do that. Everybody else that wants a shirt, just send me an email with your email address and shirt size. I have to cancel that credit card real quick. Beautiful Brex, shout out wonderful Brex. Amazing, easy to use account where you can cancel cards when you expose a credit card on a webinar.
Raba's now an affluencer for Brex.
I am. I do have a Brex Gold card. Have you seen them? They're amazing. They're really cool.
I'm not to that level.
They're super hard to get, but obviously. Sorry, I just want
Humble
to
brag.
kill this card real quick. I can't believe I did that. Oh man. Showed reason I'm canceling card, showed the number on webinar. Amazing.
I wonder why Raba10, which is a 10% discount code, and it showed like a minus $5 discount at the end, and ended up being $2 discount.
I wonder if some products were excluded from the code. I'd be curious.
Oh, that weren't allowed to get discounts. You're probably
Right.
right there. Yeah, you're probably right. Okay, cool. So now this has been done. Purchased.
Yeah, now you're going to head back to Triple Whale and you're going to go to your
Okay.
survey report so you can look at your beautiful chart.
Amazing.
Now you're going to have at least one answer.
All right. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
She get attributed two sources, right? Because of the promo code. And
Yeah, we should be able to see
to
because of the
Facebook.
code. We can go to the Affluencer Hub and we can look at that as well. Yep.
Oh my god, it works. Amazing.
There it does.
Oh wow, how cool. So bish bash bosh, you're all done. So steps are you go to your either post-purchase survey here or your optimizations down here. And then I don't get credit? When is it update?
I think it's so since it's optional, I think you have to manually check it, but I will, that's probably
Where
a
do I check
live
it?
bug. I think if you click install, I think it should show as completed. Hopefully.
Amazing. And then you can either go there or you can go to your post-purchase survey here. Then your survey builder, if you want to change anything, you'll go
Yeah, so
here.
if anybody's
this
doing
little
live
eye.
changes, yeah, if you like unhide something, you'll see a save button. like if you do any changes here, you can then save it and it'll go ahead live into your store. Or you can click cancel and it'll just go back to the last saved. So if you're not going to change anything, there you go.
Amazing. And then your reporting is going to be all here. You can see count.
Yeah.
And then
plus
percent
the
of
pixel.
responses. Okay, cool. So it's just a little bit of a big graph, but you have a dual.
Oh, but you're also
Hey.
zoomed in, aren't you?
Am I? Possibly. No, but I can zoom out. And then you have a dual axis graph. And then all your survey responses will populate here, as well as tabulated down here, as well as a beautiful graphic down here. So you're done. Amazing.
Now we can look
Yep.
at the pixel page.
Yeah, let's go look at attribution.
Okay, this might be really weird though, because we have
Oh, because of all of our real ads that are running.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
it
just show the
worked!
people.
It worked. No way.
It works for affluencers, yeah.
Oh man, it works. How cool is that? Like a kid in a candy store. We need to start pumping that Snapchat, Sonder. Push the paid.
Well, we
Okay,
just,
that's super cool. So
what's our
it shows
ROAS
up-
there? $1,000 spend per order on Raba. We made $48. What do we got there, Sonder?
Oh, we're killing it. So there is a
Million-
double
million.
count here, though, right, Logan? Why is that? Because it's counted as an organic social as well as the affluencer.
Well, to be honest, I thought you had Facebook connected. It's not even showing here.
Oh, we don't have Facebook connected. Well, I did it through organic, where I didn't or incognito, excuse me. So I didn't look at any ads.
Click on
But
the
since
order.
you
Robert,
chose
click-
Facebook, yeah, since you chose Facebook, it should have gone through.
And added to Facebook.
Yeah, but it's showing organic and social because that's how you visited the site, right? So
Got
affluencers
it.
getting
Tracking.
credit that you visited the site through an organic source. So that's why that's getting credit. I thought you had Facebook channel connected here, so this is going to be a little egg on
A
our
little
face.
wonky.
But if you
Yeah, it's
do
just a
have
little
Facebook
wonky.
connected and you clicked on Facebook, you would see it as a line item that would say triple survey, just like you're seeing as that source. But it would
Yep.
be on the Facebook because it's now being attributed to Facebook, essentially.
Amazing.
Sorry,
Oh,
I thought
cool.
you had Facebook connected here.
No, no,
Click
it's. Or where'd you
Click
want
on
me
the
to go?
order, Rabba.
Yeah, if you click on the order, it also will tell you there's a survey event that's connected in the journey. So it will tell you
Not this one.
what
Which
the
one? This guy.
or Raba down. Where? How come you're not showing up here? Oh, because you have a different store connected altogether, don't you?
No, we have our Shopify stores.
How come your order's not coming through on the live orders? Oh,
Nick
it's for
Walker
Nick.
right here.
Sorry, it's for Nick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking for your name. I'm sorry.
Yeah, just
no,
click
yeah.
on click on
Yeah, just
that.
click on Nick Walters' name. Boom. So
Oh,
your
wow.
post-purchase survey submitted is Facebook.
How cool.
That's what you ordered.
Oh, this is dope.
Live demos, man. They're great.
Live demos, people. Live demos. We like to ride the lightning here at Triple L. We appreciate you keeping
And,
all
and
hands
if,
and feet.
if you can see, we're actually showing the power of our pixel here. You went into incognito mode, so we're tracking all your events from August 29th, as well as 31st and August 12th. So just scroll down, you'll see more dates there. Doesn't always work this way. Like it has to be
Oh,
certain.
wow.
But we can
Oh,
track back
wow.
multiple
That
sessions.
does look nice.
Cookieless.
Wow, that's impressive work, folks. That's impressive work. And I didn't even plan this. This is just happenstance. Amazing. Well, that's really cool. So just to wrap up, if you want to install, if you have the Pixel, post-purchase survey, and then the Affluencer Hub are both free, and then it's pretty easy to install. Bish, bash, bosh, a couple clicks here. If you have affluencers, you'll add them here in your survey builder. And then can you add any other questions outside of an affluencer or no? It's only these things and then none of the
Just
above.
for now. Yeah,
Okay,
version
cool.
2 is coming soon. So for anyone interested, version 2 will mainly be revolving around some customization. So
Amazing.
changing the verbiage of the question, changing the answers. I will say right now, for anyone who's like confused about why you can't do those things, it's just simply because we're building this for attribution first. And so if you were to change a question or an answer to something that didn't match what our system was looking for from attribution, it could get messy. So for now it's locked, but We'll offer some different options in the future, so that you can get, at least on the reporting page for the survey, you can get more granular if you wish. And then what I'm really excited about in the future is being able to ask more demographic and psychographic questions, which will play into customer insights. So imagine building a cohort table based on people that mentioned they're a 35-year-old mom from Kentucky. Some cool opportunities there.
Amazing. Awesome, folks. And then if you do, for whatever reason, want to nuke the survey, you can obviously just do uninstall here. If it's not installed yet, you just hit that big blue button to ride the lightning and install it. And again, this is all free. It's in your account right now. You can play with it, install it. If you have any other questions, just let us know. But that is the post-purchase survey, and that's impressive. I love the kind of back and forth through the pixel. That's a really symbiotic relationship there. That's fantastic.
Yeah,
You guys really thought through this, Ilya and Logan. I love it.
we do our best. I think Nick had a question again on the survey that I think is actually a really good question that I'll do the answer live thing, because I think this is important.
Okay, amazing.
This is really, I'm going to give my subjective opinion here. In the future, we'll have some options so that you can do this in any way you want. But right now, this is actually going to show for every purchase and every customer, regardless of their status with your store. The reason being is that we built this survey to be more of, I guess, what you would call a last click model or last impression. So the survey question is actually what led you to purchase today. And the idea is, even if it's their second or third purchase, there could be a different reason from what brought them to your store originally. And we would like to capture that for attribution. So even if a Facebook ad brought them to your store 60 days ago, their second purchase could have been driven by an influencer, or it could have been driven by a Snapchat ad this time around. And we feel like those channels deserve credit for the subsequent purchase.
Amazing. Great work. Catalina had a question that we did not answer as well. What happens if you already have a discount code created for an influencer? Will that just populate when you start typing and you can just select it versus having to create it?
Yes, it should pop up. We do have a bug, which we're aware of, that not every discount code pops up, but we're looking into this, and hopefully next week we'll get rid of that bug.
Amazing. So it should work. You might hit some hiccups, so we appreciate the grace if it does hiccup, but feel free to ping the CS team if you are having some major issues, but that should work. Amazing. Yeah, that was kind of cool. Nick, I agree. I need to play around with this more. That was fresh eyes. Felt awesome. It's like driving a new car. All right. What other AMAs do you guys have? I have some questions that we can field from the submissions, but we also want to give it up to you guys. If you do have any questions, you can ask us anything. Ask us about Triple, acquisition, how we deploy our paid media, what's next on the roadmap, the sneaker collection. You guys are about to see it. I have almost the office set up. I'm actually going to be interviewed by Axios here in town about my sneaker collection. Yeah, I'm really making it. That Snapstar influencer. You know me.
That's right.
I need
and they
to
were
have
just acquired, so that's pretty cool.
Axios was.
Yeah, I think $500 million. Yeah.
Wow. There's some big money there. Oh, what a great question. We can all play with this one. Let me just pop it in. Amazing. Oh, look at Sonder. Amazing. We'll do mine first, Sonder, and then we'll do yours.
Yeah, I'm just pulling them from the submissions and throwing them in here so we can.
Oh, that's super helpful. That's super helpful. Okay. Big product feature on the roadmap you're excited about. I'll go first, and then Ilya, Logan, and then we'll finish with you, Sonder.
Yeah.
Okay, amazing. I am actually most excited about. It's going to sound cliche and very in line with the brand, but the Finance Hub stuff that I've seen is really cool. So we have, to be fair, I went to school for economics, so it's a bit of a homer answer in that sense, but we have a really cool, one of the biggest things that I've seen a lot of D2C brands just get challenged with is, especially when you're kind of that $1 to $50 million run rate, a lot of people don't have a good handle on their economics, and more specifically, it's a very cash flow intensive business usually. And so knowing your cash position and understanding basically matching your demand and supply. So understanding inventory and etc. Sorry, I'm getting we have a whale sign, literally a whale tailed neon sign on the other side in the studio getting installed right now. So the Finance Hub is kind of what I'm super, super excited about. I think it's going to be pretty epic. I think it's going to drop late September. We'll probably have a beta mid-September, but that's what I'm super stoked about. What about you, Ilya?
Pixel page revamp. So in a couple of weeks, we should get a major upgrade to the brains behind the pixel page, which means there'll be more data populated. So today, like metrics like add to carts, email signups, visitors, they don't show up on organic pages. They don't show up on some of the paid channels. Now that data will be populated, and the page will become way faster, especially if you're a larger shop. The page will just load almost instantly. We'll add nice trend charts, and just we're now starting to go off to the page and just like finding all the inconveniences there and making better and better and better. So like filtering will be next, removing of the some of the like afterpay and the other domains that show up on your way to the checkout so that they don't confuse people. So it will be faster, much cleaner, and hopefully everybody will like it. So should ship in a couple of weeks.
Amazing. Logan, what about you?
Man, well, I think Finance Hub is going to be pretty epic. They've put a lot of hard work into that. I am really excited for the pixel pages. I think the graphs are going to be probably the thing that I'm most excited about on that front. Just because I'm sure all of you here use Facebook Ads Manager, and it's looking at ads or campaigns one by one on the graph mode is kind of a pain. So it's going to be really cool to be able to build segments like you do in the Creative Cockpit, or just look at ads on top of each other, campaigns on top of each other over time. And then, I don't know, did we talk about the rules engine? I think something like that would be cool. I think updates to Creative Cockpit as we continue to build that out. I think we're going to be adding in new channels soon. And I think that'll be really fun. I'm curious to know like where, because I've left the marketing world a little bit, I'm just really curious about where people are putting their energy. And I think the Creative Cockpit will have a lot of interesting opportunities. I don't even think we've talked about it, but I do think like, imagine if you layered in everything that is creative, not just images and videos, but like landing pages, and tried to pair them against each other based on time on site and conversion rates. And who knows, just like going above and beyond what's available right now in the market.
Oh, I love that. Sonder, close us out.
Yeah, I'm most excited for our Finance Hub. The thing I love about Triple Well is that we really help businesses grow smarter, and I think hopefully profitably. I think as we see the pendulum swing from growth to profitability, and since most of our customers are bootstrapped, I think the more we can help them understand their cash flow and what's helping them grow profitably, I just think the empowerment there is awesome and powerful. So I'm excited.
It's incredible. Incredible. Man, I work with some really smart people. Love you guys. All right. Let's go on to the next question submitted by Mr. Sonder. Do purchases attributed to the triple pixel plus poacher survey dedupe, or do they double attribute? That's a great question, actually.
Yeah. So deduped, meaning if we found that the customer came through Facebook and they chose Facebook in the survey, we're not going to count it twice. The survey event will still be there in the customer journey for you to review. But as a reminder for triple attribution, we will give credit to any channel that had an interaction, right? So the way we built this for the survey is that if they came through Facebook but chose Google, in the triple attribution model, they'll get a Google credit for their full conversion value and credit to Facebook for their full conversion value in the triple attribution model.
Amazing. It's a really good question and a really good answer. Does Triple Well run ads using their own product? This is
Do we?
one of my favorite but painful sayings of the hit me with it, Sonder.
The cobbler's kids go barefoot.
Yeah. So Sonder is, among other things, the head of our acquisition, director of product marketing. He basically does everything, but he runs demand gen with another one of our really talented peeps that's not on her, named Brandon. And unfortunately, right now, because we do not use Shopify as a processor for payment, we cannot use Triple Whale. So we use all the other things in there. So we do use the Creative Cockpit. As you saw, we use the Affluencer Hub, things of that nature. But right now, we don't have Triple Whale for Triple Whale, which is kind of like just a worldly irony, a biblical irony, if you will. It's just hilarious that. But anyways, too long didn't read. We're actually building it out. It is on the roadmap slated for Q1 of next year. So yeah, fingers crossed, Triple Whale for Triple Whale. But currently, if you are a SaaS business like us, we do not support that. So it is a bit of a pain in our side. But we have wonderful, beautiful humans like you guys to join webinars. So we don't even need to run ads. We just run webinars.
I wish that were so.
Zing. That's an interesting question. So will you be adding translation options? That's a good question. I know Chrome will automatically localize for you,
Are they talking
but
about the survey, Rob,
this-
or generally?
oh, good question. This was a submission, so I don't know if anybody's on that actually.
I would assume from the survey, Logan, since that's what the topic was.
Yeah. So we actually found out, yes, the answer is yes. We found a way in a more simplified way right away to display and translate the survey question, like what led you to purchase here, and a thank you message in the native language based on where the customer is located, like IP address. So we can do that. It will get probably a little more complex with the answers when customers start to type and create their own. But yeah, we'll be working through that as we build out the version 2.0. So yeah, translation will come.
Awesome.
Amazing. We're actually, speaking of translation, you guys want to guess how many countries we're in? Ilya, how many countries do you think we're in?
A couple hundred.
Oh my God.
53.
It's the worst. It's the worst when you ask somebody and they give you some absurd answer. When you tell them the actual answer, it sounds so unimpressive.
Yeah.
The lightning has been stolen.
No, Ilya. Ilya
The
doesn't know how to do
lightning has been
podcasts.
stolen.
Let me say
Unbelievable.
25, Robert. 25?
You
That'd be a lot of
you
countries.
never invite. This is why the West Coasters are never allowed on. This is exactly why you hit us with that LA math. Unbelievable. We're in over 70 countries right now.
70 countries.
Couple hundred. Unbelievable.
I lived in
guy.
10 countries,
Who
so for
invited
me, a
this
couple
guy?
hundred is not a
Unbelievable.
lot.
We've
You've lived in
attributed
10?
Ilya's life to 10 countries.
Or 11.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
What are the 10?
Panama, Nicaragua, Cuba, Mexico, US, Canada, Russia, UK, Germany, Belgium, Netherlands. 11.
Wow.
He speaks a lot of languages as well.
No,
I can't
Russian
even
English,
name
God.
11. I can't even name 11 countries, and Ilya's lived in 11 of them. That's incredible. Wow, unbelievable. Okay, let's do another.
I'm so excited for Ilya to answer this one.
How do we use Affluencer UTMs with Grin UTMs? Oh yeah, you're a Grin Maxi. Not a horrible product, honestly, to be fair. Ilya, do you want to
Yes,
pontificate
sure.
on this
So
one?
we want to integrate with Grin and some of the other platforms. Today we don't have that integration. So if you create UTMs in Grin, you need to, like, if you create influencers in Grin, you need to set up UTMs in a particular way that will be recognized by the Affluencer Hub, so that we will automatically create the influencers for you. That means UTM medium has to be equal to influencer, and there are some other parameters that we explain in the knowledge base. So if you create your influencers in Grin, if the UTMs are created in a particular way, we will then automatically every day create influencers for you, and will therefore track all their orders through UTMs. However, there will still be a manual step where you need to copy paste the discount codes from Grin into the influencers in our platform. We know that's not ideal, but that's already like a good start. And eventually we want to have integration with some of the larger platforms like Grin, just to save time.
Amazing.
Yeah, it is. I think to that point, yeah, I would definitely recommend being proactive in the Affluencer Hub and creating it. Like Ilya mentioned, we can be reactive with it if it's UTM medium is tagged affiliate or influencer. But if you create it off of the bat, then you can actually use the link that we were showing with the UTM codes to then put into Grin or send to the influencer. And we still will be tracking things automatically as well. So that just helps with the dedupe.
Incredible stuff. I think you guys, yeah, Nick, we try and sandbag 50 plus, but we've grown a little bit. So fair point on the 50 plus per the news release. And then Daniel, I will actually definitely pass that on to Yakov. How fun is Yakov, right? He's such a big brain behind that, and he's building out something that's really, really special. Excited to release it for you guys. I think that's all the questions. We got some shirts. Yeah. So if anybody, again, if you guys want a free t-shirt, since you came to this incredible webinar, just send that email. So that's my email. Just send me your shirt size and then where you want it shipped and then what shirt you want. If not, I'll just send you one of the ones and I'll just pick one for you. But I do need your shirt size and your address, and we'll get those sent out to you guys for free. Just like our post-purchase survey is free and our Affluencer Hub is free. So get those installed on your account. I have a guy trying to hang stuff in the office, so I'm going to pull us out a little early because I have ad spend in 7 minutes. But any parting words, Ilya, Logan, or Sander?
If you're not going to download the post-purchase survey, I need to know why. So ping me. Let me know.
Ooh, incredible. I think we have 200 plus people already using it. So you guys should push us to 300 or 400 or 500. It's a really cool service that is, again, free, super easy to use, and it just augments your pixel data as well as your attribution data, and then you can weave in your affluencer. So it's a really no-brainer. If it takes more than 5 minutes, I'll send you 2 t-shirts. So go get that set up today. Ilya, outside of the bragging on the 10 countries and ruining my thunder, any parting words?
Happy for all the feedback that we can get.
Amazing. Yeah. So feel free to reach out to us. If you guys aren't in Narwhal Nation, it's a fantastic Slack group exclusive to Triple Whalers. Bunch of awesome channels in there. Tons of great discussion. We also have our whale mail that goes out every Tuesday, Thursday. Definitely sign up for that. You can just go to tripwhale.com/whale mail, toss your email in there. What else you got, Sander?
Yeah, I think last plug with post-purchase survey. I've kind of been on this preaching pedestal lately about attribution, but really to me, attribution is a story. There's not like a silver bullet. And this is just a great way to get another great data point to tell the attribution story, to better understand your customer journey. So it's free. I would recommend doing it. User experience is great for your customers. So get it. It's amazing.
Incredible. You guys are such wonderful humans. Thank you so much for joining me. And then also thank you to you guys. This whale webinar wouldn't be anything without the watchers, the users, the awesome Triple Whalers. So I think that's it for another whale webinar in the books. We're going to be here every Wednesday. Times will fluctuate just because of scheduling, but we'll always do them on Wednesdays. Ilya, thanks for popping in again. You're always awesome. I really appreciate all your thoughtful responses. Yeah, I know that's a great line, isn't he? He's a wordsmith. This one, don't let the size fool you. He's a weapon with the pen.
Smash that like button. Subscribe on all channels.
Smash that like button. Oh, we do have. If you guys are into pickleball, we have a pickleball tournament going down. It's where is my? I'll drop a link real quick. We have a pre-sign up. If you guys want to come out, and then we're doing a creative event right on the back of that. So Tuesday can come out for a pickleball tournament. Then Wednesday, Thursday, we're doing a creative event to help you guys understand creative, the metrics to use, how to create it, how to get influencers, all the whole kit and caboodle. And then Logan's still teetering. I'm hoping he goes into doubles. Are you going to do doubles or singles? What are you going to play?
Oh, I thought I could only do one event, but I signed up for singles because I don't have.
You can only do one. Yeah, you can only do one.
Yeah,
okay, of course. Yeah,
might as well get my exercise while I'm there.
Yeah, if you want to play some decent competition, Logan is definitely the favorite as of now for the pickleball tourney. But it's a really cool event that we're going to be hosting Tuesday, so definitely sign up there. And then Ilya is actually going to be out for that event, so you can meet him. If you don't like pickleball but just want to party and you're in Austin, we're going to have food. We're going to have a vendor village. It's going to be just a really cool event. There's even a splash pad, so if you want to go play in the fountains, there's mini golf. But we're literally renting out this place called Dreamland. Like, I have no clue how I get the budgets for this. AJ and Max are always just gems of humans. They're just like, let's go, Rava. So come community build with me and help me not get fired and play some pickleball, and then come to the creative event. But yeah, that's all we got. If you guys have any other questions, hit us up on the Twitters. We're at Triple Whale. And then again, sign up for Whale Mail, subscribe to our YouTube channel, smash that button. And then that's it. Sonder, Logan, Ilya, thanks so much. And again, that's it. Another whale webinar in the books. Bye, everybody.
See you.